Living in Orangeburg, where the climate can range from hot, humid summers to cooler, windy winters, it's essential to maintain your replacement windows to ensure they continue performing at their best. Replacement windows are an excellent investment for homeowners who want improved energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics, but regular care and maintenance are crucial for maximizing their lifespan and performance. In this article, we'll explore simple yet effective tips for maintaining your replacement windows in Orangeburg's unique climate. By following these steps, you'll keep your windows looking great, functioning properly, and contributing to your home's comfort and energy savings. Clean your windows regularly. One of the easiest ways to maintain your replacement windows is by keeping them clean. Dirt, debris, and pollen can accumulate on both the interior and exterior surfaces of your windows, impacting both their appearance and functionality. Cleaning your windows regularly will help keep them looking pristine and free from buildup that can interfere with their performance. Exterior cleaning. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild dish soap and water to clean the window frames and glass. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can damage the seals and coatings of modern replacement windows. For windows in hard-to-reach areas, consider using a telescoping window cleaner or hiring a professional to handle the cleaning. Interior cleaning. On the inside, gently clean the glass using a non-ammonia-based cleaner or a vinegar water solution. Regular cleaning will ensure that your windows remain clear, maximizing the natural light entering your home. Inspect the seals and weather stripping. Properly sealed windows are critical to energy efficiency, as gaps in the seals allow drafts to enter your home, leading to increased heating and cooling costs. Over time, weather stripping and seals may wear down, especially in Orangeburg's humid climate. It's essential to inspect your replacement windows at least once a year to ensure that the seals are intact and in good condition. Inspect for gaps. Check around the window frame for any visible cracks or gaps. If you notice any, it may be time to replace or repair the weather stripping. Replace weather stripping. If your weather stripping appears worn, cracked, or loose, replace it immediately to prevent air leaks. Many modern replacement windows come with easy-to-replace weather stripping that you can install yourself or with the help of a professional. Lubricate moving parts. Many replacement windows, such as double-hung windows or sliding windows, have moving parts that can wear out over time. Sliding tracks, locks, and hinges can become stiff, making it difficult to open or close the window properly. To ensure smooth operation, lubricate the moving parts regularly. Tracks and sashes. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the sliding tracks or sashes to keep them running smoothly. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and dirt. Locks and hinges. Apply a light coat of lubricant to window locks and hinges to ensure they open and close easily without becoming rusty or jammed. Address condensation issues. Condensation between the panes of your replacement windows is a sign that the window seal has failed. This is especially common in climates like Orangeburg's, where high humidity can exacerbate the problem. Condensation can impair the visibility of your windows and reduce their energy efficiency by allowing moisture to enter the insulation between the panes. Inspect for condensation. If you notice moisture between the panes of glass, it may be time to call a professional to assess the situation and determine whether the window seal needs to be replaced. Prevent future issues. To prevent future condensation, keep your home's humidity levels in check. Using a dehumidifier in high humidity areas, such as kitchens and bathrooms, can reduce the likelihood of condensation forming inside your windows. Keep drainage channels clear. Many replacement windows are designed with drainage channels that help direct water away from the window frame and prevent moisture buildup. Over time, leaves, dirt, and debris can accumulate in these channels, leading to water retention, mold, or mildew. Clear the channels. Regularly check and clear out the drainage channels of your windows to ensure that water can flow freely. Use a small brush or compressed air to remove any buildup. Check for clogs. Make sure there are no blockages or obstructions in the weep holes, small drainage holes at the bottom of the window. Clogs in these areas can cause water damage to your window frames and lead to moisture problems. Protect windows from storm damage. Though replacement windows are designed to withstand the elements, Orangeburg's weather can sometimes be unpredictable, especially during hurricane season. To protect your windows from high winds or flying debris, consider installing storm shutters or using window coverings designed to protect windows from impact. Shutters. Installing hurricane shutters or impact-resistant window film can help protect your windows from potential damage during severe weather. Storm preparation. When a storm is imminent, secure your windows by covering them with protective film or plywood if you don't already have storm shutters. This will reduce the risk of shattering and damage from debris. Regular professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is crucial, it's also a good idea to have a professional window inspection at least once every few years. A professional can assess the condition of your windows, check for any hidden issues, and provide advice on repairs or upgrades. They can also check for drafts, water damage, and other concerns that may not be immediately noticeable. Conclusion. Protect and enhance your replacement windows in Orangeburg. Maintaining your replacement windows in Orangeburg's climate is essential to ensure they continue to provide energy efficiency, comfort, and protection. By cleaning them regularly, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and addressing any condensation or drainage issues, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and keep your home comfortable and secure. With a little maintenance, your replacement windows will continue to perform well and contribute to a peaceful, energy-efficient living space for years to come. Take care of your windows today to enjoy lasting comfort and savings tomorrow.